Hello students, today I am teaching exercise 1 of chapter 2. In this exercise, first question is given, write the following statements in the form of equation. A is given, the cricket coach in a school purchased 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. He bought a bat and 2 balls from the same shop for rupees 1300. So, you will see that the cost of 3 bats and 6 balls is given rupees 3900, but the cost of each bat and the cost of each ball is not given. So at first you have to assume the cost price of each bat and the cost price of each ball. So let the cost price of each bat be rupees X and the cost of each ball be Rs Y. First statement is given, since the cost of 3 bats and 6 balls equal to rupees 3900. So 3x, since the cost of one bat is given assumed rupees x, so the cost of 3 bats will be 3x. Similarly, the cost of each ball is assumed rupees y, so the cost of 6 balls will be 6y is equal to 3900. This is the equation for the first statement. Now the second statement is given, cost of a ball and a bat and a ball, a bat and 2 balls is equal to rupees 1300. So since the number of bat is 1, that's why we write only x, and the number of balls are 2, that's why we write 2y is equal to 1300. This is equation second. So your equations are formed according to the statement. Second statement is given, the sum of two numbers is 16 and their difference is 8. There are two numbers, but numbers are not given and their difference is given. So difference and sum both are given. So let numbers be x and y, where x is greater than y. I write it as, because we have to find difference also. So since the sum of two numbers is equal to 16, so x plus y is equal to 16. This is a first equation. Since the difference between these numbers equal to 8. So x minus y equal to 8. Here we have to write x at first. That's why I have written x is greater than y. The third statement is given. The cost of 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes is rupees 160 in a fruit shop. If the same shop, the cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes is rupees 300. You will see that the cost of 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes is given, but it is not given what is the price of 1 kg apples and 1 kg grapes. So we have to assume, let cost of 1 kg apples be rupees x and the cost price of 1 kg grapes be rupees y. According to the first statement, since the cost of 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes is equal to 160, therefore equation will be 2x plus y is equal to 160. Since the cost of 1 kg apple is x, so the cost of 2 kg apple will be 2x, and the cost of 1 kg grapes is y, and here the grapes is given 1 kg, that's why I put y only. So this is a first equation, and second statement is given, the cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes is equal to Rs 300. So therefore equation will be 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. Here the quantity of apple is 4 kg, that's why it will be 4x, and the grapes is given 2 kg, that's why the price will be 2y. So this is a second equation. Question number D is given. Naresh said to his daughter that 7 years ago my age was 7 times to your age, and 3 years from now I will be 3 times as old as you. क्वेश्चन के अनुसार नरेश ये कहता है अपनी पुत्री से कि 7 साल पहले उसकी उम्र जो थी, उसकी पुत्री की उम्र से 7 टाइम्स थी, और 3 साल बाद उसकी उम्र उसके पुत्री की उम्र से 3 गुना हो जाएगी. So at first we have to assume present age of father and present age of daughter. So let the present age of Naresh be x years and the present age of his daughter be y years. In first case, 7 years ago, 7 years ago, Naresh age is equal to x minus 7 daughter's age equal to y minus 7. Now according to question, father is a 7 times to his daughters. So we have to multiply y minus 7 y 7. Because father is a 7 times, we have to equate them. So we have to multiply the age of daughter by 7. So x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. X minus 7y is equal to minus 49 plus 7. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Transposing 7y to LHS, the sign will be changed. It becomes minus 7y, and transposing minus 7 to RHS, it becomes plus 7. So we get x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. This is the equation first. In second case, three years from now, को मतलब हुआ 3 साल बाद, फादर्स नरेश एज इक्वल टू x plus 3 years daughter's age is equal to y plus 3 years. According to question said that father's age becomes 3 times to his daughter. So x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 3. Because father is 3 times to age of his daughter, so we have to multiply daughter's age by 3 to equate them. So x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. X plus 3 minus 3y equal to 9. Then x minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3. X minus 3y equal to 6. This is a second equation. Question number E is given. A person travels 90 km by train and taxi to reach his office. The distance traveled by train is twice the distance traveled by taxi. A person travels 90 km by train and taxi. Here 90 km is the distance traveled by a person by train and taxi. But it is not given how many kilometers he travels by train and by taxi. So at first we assume, let a person travels x kilometer by train and y kilometer by taxi. In first case, person travels distance by train and taxi equal to 90 kilometer. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 90. This is a first equation. The second equation is said the distance traveled by train is twice the distance traveled by taxi. In second case, the distance traveled by train is twice the distance traveled by bus. So therefore distance traveled by train, it means x is equal to 2y. So x minus 2y is equal to 0. Why have I written 2y? Because x is 2 times 2y, so equate them, we have to multiply y by 2. That's why it become 2y. So it is equation second. Now I go to the question number 2. In question number 2 you will see that a graph is given and question is given. Question is look at the graph for the given equations and try to find their solutions. In equations 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. You have to fill here. In graph you will see that this is a equation line of equation 3x plus 2y plus 12 equal to 0, and this is the equation line of equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Both equation lines intersect each other at the point 2, 3. 2, 3 means x is 2 and y is 3. Here x is 2 and y is 3. So if equation lines intersect each other at a point, then the solution is unique, and therefore the value of x and y are, the value of x is 2 and y equal to 3. In equation second, equations are 3x plus 6y equal to 15, 3x plus 2y equal to 5. You will see that here this is a equation line, this is a equation line of equation 3x plus 6y equal to 15 and x plus 2y equal to 5. इक्वेशन लाइन्स ऑफ बोथ इक्वेशंस आर कोइंसिडेंट। कोइंसिडेंट का मतलब दोनों एक ही पाथ पे जा रही है, दोनों का पाथ डिफरेंट नहीं है। इस तरह की लाइन में इक्वेशन हैज मेनी सॉल्यूशंस। Equations has many solutions. Since lines are coincident, that's why the solution is infinite. And therefore the value of x and y are, you will see that x equal to 1, x equal to 3, x equal to 5, and so on. Similarly, y equal to 2, y equal to 1, y equal to 0, and so on. इसमें आप देखोगे कि बहुत सारे आपको सॉल्यूशन मिलेंगे। तो जब लाइन इक्वेशन लाइन कोइंसिडेंट रहेंगी, देन इक्वेशंस हैव मेनी सॉल्यूशंस। Now C is in equation minus 4x plus 6y equal to 3 and 2x minus 3y equal to 5. You will see in graph equation line of equation 2x minus 3y equal to 5 is this, and the equation line of equation 6x minus 4x equal to 3 is here, and both lines are parallel to each other. They do not intersect each other. They do not intersect each other. This shows that both are parallel. In case of parallel lines, equation has no solution. So we can't write the value of x and the value of y here because they do not intersect each other. They have no solution. In question number D, the equations are x plus 2y equal to 3, 4x plus 3y equal to 2. Look graph carefully. You will see that equation line of equation x plus 2y equal to 3 and equation line of equation 4x plus 3y equal to 2 intersect each other at this point. So equation, the solution is unique. जब लाइन इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी तो उनका एक सॉल्यूशन होगा जिसको हम यूनिक सॉल्यूशन कहते हैं। तो ये इधर हियर x equal to -1 and y equal to 2. So your first exercise has been completed. Now I will teach next exercise in next video.